Hey everyone, it's Val here, and today's video is going to be an empty apartment tour. So first of all, before we get into the empty apartment tour, I'm going to let you know why we're going to do an empty apartment tour. So we just got confirmation that we are moving to a 3-bedroom apartment. That's right, a 3-bedroom apartment. Like, whoa, we've been literally waiting for this since we moved into this 2-bedroom apartment. We've been living here since 2012. Like January 2012, and it's my mom, my brother, and myself. And for the longest time, so my brother and I shared a room for about like a year maybe since we've been living here, and then he started sharing a room with my mom because he didn't want to sleep in the bunk bed, so he shared a room with my mom and kind of slept. He was young enough, so he slept with on my mom's bed and stuff, and in my mom's room. And then he started sleeping in the living room on the couch. So yeah. And now we're all gonna have our own room. Finally, for the past few months, my mom's been sleeping on an air mattress in the living room. And now we get a 3-bedroom and we'll have our own rooms. We're super excited. So this 3-bedroom has three bedrooms and then 2.5 bathrooms. So I'm gonna get my own bathroom. I do not want to share a bathroom with them because I have some pet peeves that they do, and honestly, my mom and my brother are gonna like tag team cleaning their bathroom. We have a half bathroom downstairs, so it's like a 2-story apartment. And we're moving into the same apartment complex, just a different unit. So that's fun. But yeah, so we're super excited. And let's get on to the apartment tour. Hello and welcome to our empty apartment tour. Come on in. Okay, so this is our apartment. I'm at the entrance right now, and we're super excited because we've been in a 2-bedroom for 8 years, and now we finally get a 3-bedroom, and we're like really excited about it. We're gonna miss our 2-bedroom, but it's okay. So first, go ahead and pan around. Just from here, you can pan around. You don't have to move around. Okay. And now let's go ahead and start from the door, going from around this way. So first, we have this door, and this door leads to our first bathroom. This is a half bathroom. It has a great window for natural light, and then just the basic sink and toilet. Nothing special. And then over here in this room, we have our living room. So this is where our couch and TV will go. This is actually a pretty good sized living room, honestly. Like, I'm surprised. So this is our living room. I know I said it's empty, but my mom did bring some things. Even though I told her not to, but she brought just a few things. And then so we have a lot of natural light, no like lighting, but we have to bring our own lamps, which we were planning to do that anyways. What's cool is that the living room looks into the kitchen, and then the kitchen looks into the living room. So that's I really like that a lot. So now if you follow me this way, we'll go into the kitchen and the dining room. So here's the kitchen on this side, and then to my left is the dining room. So let's go ahead and start in the kitchen. So this is the kitchen. When we first saw this apartment, we didn't get that much time. We only had maybe 3 minutes to just do a quick walkthrough. So when I first saw the kitchen, I thought it was like a little snug, but it's actually pretty nice. It doesn't feel so claustrophobic. So we have just the basics: a dishwasher, sink, stove, and oven, fridge, and then we do have more cabinet space than our other apartment. So that's nice. And then these 2 doors right here, one of them opens to the water heater, which is nothing special. The second door right here opens to our pantry, but we're not going to use it as a pantry. We use it more for paper towels, cleaning stuff, laundry stuff, but we will hang our mop and our broom here. So that's nice to hang there. And now let's go ahead and move on to our dining room. So our dining room is pretty big too. I do have an idea with this little corner, which I'm excited for. We'll probably have like a little tea nook thing, and like have tea and like maybe like an electric kettle maybe. And then unfortunately around this time, I think it's like around 10, 11-ish in the morning. Unfortunately, we don't get that much natural lighting, but that's okay. We can survive, you know. And then this is one of my favorite parts of the apartment. So if we open the door, not only is it a coat closet, but it's under stair storage, okay? So for reference, I'm 5'1", so I'm pretty freaking short, but I can go under this part of the coat closet and still fit. And then if I keep going back, I have to just get down just a little bit, and it goes all the way. Goes all the way. We already have some things in here. We have our suitcase and just some other things. And it just goes a little more back this way. My mom has some canvases, then like some Guitar Hero stuff that we probably don't need, honestly. And this is the under stair storage, which I'm really excited for. Very excited for. So I'm thinking maybe we can have like our clothes here, or like our jackets here, then just open it and then like come right in. It's a little secret. And then let me close this. So right here we have this, and that also looks out into the front door, and then the front door opens up over here. I already have an idea of what to put here, one thing at least. So that's kind of nice too. So now let's go upstairs. So our old apartment that we still live in right now, it's a 2-bedroom, 1-story home. 2-bedroom, 1 bath, 1 story. This one is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and 2-story home. So let's go upstairs. So up here, we have like some natural lighting over there, which is kind of nice. And then you can look down if you keep coming up. You can look down the stairs from here and be like, Mom! Or if my mom calls me Valerie, I don't know. So like that's kind of fun, you know? That's kind of funny. And then we have all of the bedrooms. We have bedroom number 1. We have bedroom number 2. And then we have bedroom number 3. And then we have 2 bathrooms. We have bathroom number 1 and then bathroom number 2 right over here. So let's go ahead and start with bedroom number 1. So here's bedroom number 1. This will be my bedroom. It's a little smaller than the bedroom that I have now, I feel, and the closet is 2. This is the closet. I won't get into much of the closet today, but that's the closet, and then will be my bedroom. So go ahead and pan around my bedroom. Okay, and then, so that's my bedroom. Then going out of my bedroom, right across from my bedroom, is my bathroom. So I get my own bathroom. Yeah, I get my own bathroom. I already started putting some stuff in here though. I need to do some cleaning of the tub, the sink, and like that kind of stuff. And then right next to my bedroom will be my brother's bedroom. So this is my brother's room. And his closet's empty, it's open. But yeah, this is my brother's room. He has good natural lighting. Oh, and my brother can see, which is cool. He can see, if he wants, he can look to see who's coming, if anyone comes, like to visit us. And then all rooms can see like these. No, you know what? You don't need to see that. That's my neighborhood. You don't need to see, well, you've seen my neighborhood, I'm sure, before when I go on walks. So out my brother's room, we have my brother's and my mom's bathroom. So this is my mom's and my brother's bathroom. Nothing special, you know, just the basics. And then last bedroom is my mom's room, which was bigger than mine and my brother's room. But this is my mom's room. Her closet is bigger than our closets, which I'm a little jealous of, but that's okay. And then the last thing that I'll show you all is this. This is like our linen storage right over here. So I'm going to show you this. This is our linen storage where we'll keep towels, sheets, other stuff that we would normally keep in there. And yeah, so this is the whole apartment. Let's go ahead and go back down to where we started. Okay, so this space right here, I think we're gonna maybe get like a little, like just a little like table, like a skinny little table, and then so we can have something decorative here, just because this is kind of, I mean, I feel like this would be like a good spot to do something. I don't know, I just think I think it's lacking. It's lacking. That's what it is. So let's go downstairs. And I can touch the wall, see? But yeah, so let's go downstairs. And back to the entrance. And this was our apartment tour. So if y'all enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and subscribe down below if you guys would like to watch more of my videos. And go ahead and leave a comment down below, and I'll see you all next time. Bye, everyone.